team 3, I believe.
Yeah.
And we did our global business project on Shaman holiday paper products. So I'm going to give you a quick overview of the company, and then we're going to really get into our analysis. My name is Jessica. These are my teammates, Alex, Brooke, and Amanda. And we're all going to talk about different parts of the analysis that we did. So to give you guys a little perspective, Holiday Paper Company is located in Xiamen, China. It was founded in 1994, so it's as old as me, which is kind of cool. It produces paper and cardboard products. So it started as really just a cardboard kind of paper manufacturing product. And they've moved towards these very elaborate, as you can see in the photo, cardboard displays. And so these are like stands you would find in retail locations that have products on them, or on counters with magazines displayed. So they have 4 offices in China. They all have different responsibilities. There's like the design office where they're actually producing, their headquarters, and then another manufacturing factory. And between these 4 offices, they can produce 100,000 pieces per month, which is huge. We were not able to get figures saying how much they are actually currently producing, but we think that if they wanted to scale to the US, this is a big capacity. They have over 20 years of experience in the industry, as you can see by that 1994 number, and they pride themselves on operating with a high level of integrity, trust, relationship building with their clients. They do a lot of team building within the company themselves, and they think that this is kind of what sets them apart from their competitors, because they've realized a lot of value from investing in their employees. So just to walk you through kind of their manufacturing process to give you a little idea, I'm not privy to how all of these things work, but you kind of go from printing to the cutting of the thing to actually putting it together, and it takes a high level of understanding of how these machines work and graphic design and those kind of things. So there are a lot of components to putting these together, but as I said, they're made out of cardboard, so they're pretty low cost to actually source the materials and produce. And then here's just some examples of some of their best-selling items. These are all display stands, so you can see you have like headphones here on the one side, and then you have kind of a smaller scale. It looks like boutique toothpaste for children. Display stands. So they really range in terms of the customers they're trying to target. And then in the middle, I just wanted to point out, and I think Alex is going to talk about this a little bit later, but this is kind of a good visual example of how they've taken their business to the next step and created more value for their customers. They are now packaging or placing the products that are actually going to be displayed on these stands. They're packaging them within their factories in China. So they're taking out a lot of the logistic work for their customers, which is nice.